Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to allow ChatGPT extension on iPhone. So if you want to turn on or enable the ChatGPT extension on your iPhone to be able to use it, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like this video and then subscribe to our YouTube channel as this helps us to grow. Now, to allow, enable or turn on ChatGPT extension on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Once you open the settings app, scroll down the page, keep scrolling until you get to screen time, and then click on that. Once you click on screen time, make sure your screen time is turned on, and after that, go to restrictions. Under restrictions, locate and click on content and privacy restrictions. Now, once you click on content and privacy restrictions, make sure this is turned on. If the content and privacy restriction is disabled, enable this. Then after that, locate and click on intelligence and Siri. Now, once you click on intelligence and Siri, then it should say ChatGPT extension. ChatGPT extension may allow for additional text and image creation. Then click on that. If this is set to disallow, this is going to disallow ChatGPT extension on your iPhone. To enable or turn the ChatGPT extension on, just click on allow, and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to turn on or allow ChatGPT extension on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.